How to delete your Temu account. Today in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that, so follow up with me. First, make sure you have your app updated because they change things around sometimes. After you get that done, go ahead and open the app and wait for this screen to go away. Once the app fully loads up, tap on the U icon in the bottom of the screen. It will take you to the screen. A lot of options are here. You need to find settings. So all you need to do is to scroll down a little bit and then tap on settings right there. From here, tap on account security at the top. And at the bottom, you'll find the delete your Temu account button. Tap on it. From here, they will recommend a couple of things to do before deleting your account. Once you read through that, tap on the circle right here on top of the continue button and then tap on continue to fully delete your account permanently. And that's how we do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thanks for watching.